Welcome to the tutorial on how to keep your systems healthy with an on-demand system scan, one of the experiences in PTC's new Proactive Support service. Proactive Support represents a new generation of technical support. We inform you about issues in your system before they become problems. You can access On-Demand Scan by logging into your eSupport account. Then on the main eSupport page, hover over the Tools menu and select On-Demand Scan under the Proactive and Alerts section. The On-Demand System Scan page is your one-stop interface to run a scan or to find information on previous scans. Here, you can drag and drop your collected data and start your scan. At the top of the page, there is a link that describes what types of files can be scanned by the tool, as well as a link to the FAQ, which provides further information. To learn more about which files to upload, please see article CS299230 in the PTC knowledge base that suggests a technique for collecting the files in Windchill. For integrity support packages are recommended for best results. You can reference article CS130571 in the PTC knowledge base for step-by-step instructions on how to gather your files. To initiate a scan, first select the appropriate product in the product selector and then use Select Files link or the drag and drop hot zone to select files for upload. For the purpose of this demo, I will drag and drop a zipped file. Added files appear on the right-hand side within the pane. When done, click Launch Scan to start the scan. When the files have finished uploading, the scan is initiated. The files are checked against hundreds of known issues derived from the technical support knowledge base. Take note of your session ID as this identifies your scan. Back in the main On-Demand System Scan window, the newly initiated session is listed under Previous Scans. When completed, click on the Session ID column entry to access the scan results. The results come in the form of an analysis report. The report has a summary pane that displays the counts of files and rule checks and a findings pane with the individual findings. Click on the plus sign to display the details for a finding. Click on Recommendation ID to bring up the associated recommendation. The recommendation page includes details, metadata, and actions. In addition, you can find your recommendations for current and past scans by hovering over Tools on the eSupport navigation and then selecting Manage Recommendations under the Proactive and Alerts section. The On-Demand System Scan is available to all PTC support customers. You can upload as many support packages and execute as many scans as you need. Try it today. And for answers to additional questions about proactive support, please see our FAQ.